Pumpkin pie, not ready, that's the game we used to play, yeah. I just was a sinner, ready or not, here I come, singing that new things of fun. Always used to find a hiding place, the time to change. Whoa, I wanna get the but still I can't.
Hey everybody, it's Jessica from the Parkway Senior Center, and I have our chef extraordinaire, Miss Cynthia from the University of South Alabama. So, in continuing with our pumpkin theme, today we are going to make pumpkin pancakes. So, I hope y'all enjoy it. So, the first thing that you need to do to make your pumpkin pancakes are to get a mixing bowl, and you're gonna want to have eggs, pumpkin puree, vanilla extract, pumpkin spice, and you're gonna mix it all together. So we're gonna take 3 eggs, and we have these super hard eggs to crack yet again. And then we are going to take a cup of pumpkin puree. And then we're going to need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So that part is totally optional, but I love vanilla extract. So if I have opportunity to add it, I'm always gonna add it. So you're gonna add a teaspoon of that, and then you're gonna add half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. And something else that you could probably add in here that would be really good are pecans. That would probably be a really nice addition too. So you can always do that as well. So once you get all these ingredients in the bowl, you're going to want to mix it very, very well. And while that is mixing, you can go ahead and heat your skillet up so that can be getting warm. All right, y'all. So once you have your mixture all mixed, we're going to take our pan. Obviously, you are going to want to spray it. And then you are going to scoop about a 1/4 cup full of your mixture and put it in the pan. So some things that you need to know about this is that these pancakes are not going to be your typical light and fluffy pancakes, and that is because pumpkin has a high water content, which makes it more moist and dense than regular pancakes. Also, you are not going to need a lot of maple syrup when you're eating this. And then lastly, you need to make sure that you cook them enough. Since they are more dense, flipping can be a little bit challenging. You might make a little bit of a mess, so it might take a few tries till you get this right. So we're gonna put Cynthia on the spot today, and let's see how she does with her first one. That was actually really good. Success. This is Miss Isabel, who works with the senior centers and program staff. So we're putting her on the spot here and letting her try our pumpkin pancakes. And she does not like pumpkins, so this is going to be interesting. What do you think? Is it good?
Yeah.